how to find videos from Facebook, friends, notifications, settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find videos from Facebook, friends, notifications, settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and then click this one here, settings, and then just click notifications, and here you will find it, this one. You can turn it off or on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.